Hello guys, today this video is not for everyone but only for a few people, luckily. I want to share with you and with the people who have some difficulties in their movement that don't allow them to use their car. I, as an example, some difficulties in using my right hand, and as you know, the LC model like cars and boats needs two channels to use them, the steering and the throttle. Normally you have to use a radio like this, who has a wheel for the steering and the trigger for the throttle, and of course you need two hands. I started to use single hand with the finger both for the wheel and for the trigger, but it wasn't a good way to use my LC model. With the plane, helicopter or drones, the things are harder because you have to use a 4-channel, so the pitch, the roll, and the throttle and the yaw. And yes, I tried to use one hand with the dual finger on the 4 channels, but as you can imagine, it wasn't easy at all. So I performed some solution that I would like to share with you, and I'd like to help who could have some problem in using their models. And yes, I'm here, and please write me, so I try to help you. Yes, I want to show this radio. You see this tube because I inserted a sensor, a pressure sensor that allow me to use the blow with my mouth to use the throttle channel. So if I blow, it accelerates, and if I pull with the mouth, it brake, or it goes in reverse mode. In this way, I can use one hand for the wheel, for the steering, and I use the mouth for the throttle. Yes, you can see here. Okay. It's quite fun for me to use my LC car or this LC APK. We say APK in Italy because it is an Italian bike. This one. But when I want to use our truck, I go with this car that is a slash, and I use this body because it is taller than the original, and the weight remains in the lower part, and when the cars jump and rolls on itself, 9 on 10 times he roll, it come back on the wheels. Sorry for my English, but I hope you can understand me. So with this body, the cars remain on the wheels even when it rolls due to some accident. Okay, and it helps me because I can't go down the stairs to recover my car. This cloche, I use it for the this is the yaw movement. You see, the cloche has the pitch, the roll, and the yaw, as you can see. I use it for the helicopter, drones, and airplane. And as per the throttle channel, okay, it is showing the roll, yes, the channel, and I use the throttle channel with the foot. You can see this pedal, the guitar pedal. I use it with the foot. So with the foot, I give throttle to the motor, and with the clutch, I do the pitch, roll, and yaw channel. Or as you know, DJI performed this controller, this smart controller, and you can fly by moving the controller in the air, in space, and it's very comfortable and very useful. But you are obliged to use only the DJI drone. If you want to use other model like airplane, helicopter, and drones, you have to use another type of controller, and I found this solution. So if you are interested in, and if you want to receive some help in overtake your difficulties and your limits, please write me and I can try to help you. See you!